Hi viewers, this Excel VBA tutorial will be looking at the year function. So first of all, open up Visual Basic Editor, then type in sub, let me give it a name, year function. Then I'm just going to create a program to insert the current year within the active cell. First of all, I have to say active cell dot formula R1 C1, which basically means write or insert, and click equals. Then I'm going to enter the year function here. Then within the brackets I'm going to enter now as the current date and time, and that should do it. So that's sub year underscore function, and then enter active cell the formula R1 C1 equals year bracket now open bracket close bracket close bracket. Save that file, close, and then click on macros and find the year function. Probably alphabetical order, so it's the bottom. Click on run, and that has inserted the year 2012. And you can do the same thing again by assigning it to a button. So in the form control, I can click on insert, click on a button, drag that button in, and then assign the year function to it. Click on OK, and then click in any cell I want to insert it into. Click on the button and then insert the year again, 2012. If I go back to Visual Basic Editor, this is basically the code that I ran.